Hello, so I found some YouTube videos. The one is from the instructor for this course, or the coordinator, and then two more. But the proportions, there isn't an actual program, so you're doing it by hand. And I think it's pretty complicated that way. But I do have the videos here, so you could do them. Using the calculator is so much easier, and it will make things go smoother later. I don't mean that you should purchase one, but they do have a free 90-day online calculator. I'll also send you the link for that. Whoops. So for the problem here, if we use the calculator, the first thing you have to calculate, because it needs the X value, not the percent. So it needs to know how many. And it said 500 people, 69% plan to vote for Smith. So you want 69% of the 500, which is 345. And then you go into stats, over to test, and you want to go down to proportion interval. Those are sample. This one's the proportion. You hit enter, and then you put your size or your X value. That's the 345. 45. N was 500, and we wanted a 95% confidence interval. And there's your interval. Now, this would get multiplied by 100 because it was a proportion or a percent. And so 64.95 and the 73. Now for the error, it's how far in the middle. So this was 64.95 to 73.05, because it said to round 2 decimal places, but it was from there to there. The error is when you find the middle, how far it would be halfway. So you subtract them, and divide by 2. So the margin of error is 4.05. For the next one, I found the X value to be 825 because it was 55% of 1,500 people. So it's 825. So we go into stat, over to test, down to proportion Z. It's only 1 because it's 1 sample, not 2. We hit enter, and then it was 825 out of 1,500. We still wanted a 95% confidence interval. And there's our 52.48 and 57.52. To find the error, 57.52 minus 52.48. And remember, we're multiplying by 100 because these were percents. And then divide by 2. And you will get 2.52. If you have any questions, let me know.